In this tutorial, we will show you how you can manage your staff on Timetics from one dashboard. From your staff's page, click on Manage on a staff account. Here on Overview, you can set your staff's profile picture and update their names, emails, and even contact numbers. Worried about setting their images? It's just a matter of a few clicks. Click, Upload, and save updates. To set up different passwords for individual employees, go to the Password and Security section, input your staff's current password and the new one you want to set for their account, add it again on Confirm Password, save it, and their password will be updated from your dashboard. On Availability, you can use your organization's default timing for staff or customize it at your convenience. Moreover, you and your staff can integrate their Google Calendar, Google Meet, and even Zoom integrations from here as well. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to follow our socials.